Hi, my name's Jo. Today is the fourth and final video in a series of licks in C major. I'm going to be using the first position C major scale, and I'll be breaking down 2 licks on our way to creating a solo. I hope you've enjoyed the series. If you have, do press like, and if you enjoy the channel, then please subscribe. Here we go. Today's first lick is this one. Slow that down. And again. So to begin with, I'm going to be putting my middle finger onto the 2nd fret of the D string. I'll be doing a down pick on this string, and I'll be following that with a hammer on, using my 3rd finger, hammering on to the 3rd fret of the D string. So we pick the 2nd fret and hammer on the 3rd fret. The pick is then going to go down to the B string. The 1st finger here is going to play the 1st fret of the B string. Now that in itself is a really nice little lick to incorporate into a solo anyway. However, I'm going to extend it a little bit by coming back, playing the 3rd fret of the D string again, taking the 3rd finger off to play the 2nd fret of the D string, taking the middle finger off to play the open D string, coming back up to the A string with the 3rd finger, down picking that, back to the D string, open, and then the middle finger returns to where it was at the start and plays the 2nd fret of the D string. So we've just added a little melody onto the end of it. Lick number 2 today is a bit of a scale run up using the patterns of 3. I'm going to be stopping it on the 2nd fret of the G string, which is an A, because that's all I want today. Okay, so I'm going to start this lick with my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. I'm going to down pick this, and in our sequence of 3s, I'm going to go 3rd fret A string, downstroke, D string, open, upstroke, D string, 2nd fret, downstroke. The second sequence of 3s is the open D, upstroke, 2nd fret D, downstroke, 3rd fret D, upstroke. I'm going to go back to the middle finger, 2nd fret D for a downstroke on our 3rd sequence of Ds. 3rd fret D string, upstroke, G string, open, downstroke. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For the final sequence of Ds, I'll be going to the 3rd fret of the D string, open G, and finish on the 2nd fret of the G. So that final set of 3 will be up on the 3rd fret of the D, down on the open G, and up on the 2nd fret of the G, ending on the middle finger. So slowly one more time. What I'm going to do now is put the 2 licks together. And there we have it, the 2 final licks in the series of licks in C major, first position. I shall see you next time. Enjoy.